Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, today we have decided to take you to a big multi-store, and this is the new store opened in the Hangzhou. We will explore that and we will share with you. So let's go to the superstore. Viewers, finally we have arrived in front of the superstore. I want to share with you, before that there was a big brands, the Miniso, Muji and this kind of superstore. Now Chinese also have introduced their own brand. So it is also very interesting, very amazing superstore. We will go inside, we will share with you what they have, and this is really all in one. So let's go inside. Viewers, one amazing thing about this superstore, everything is on the promotion today. And you can see these are the shower gel, body wash and the shampoo, and also some skincare products. And you can see they have placed the promotion tags here. Means almost some products are 50% off, some products are 70% off, and some are 30% off. So this is really, their setup is very beautiful. You see these are the towels, very beautiful towel, and very cheap price, only 5.9 RMB for one towel, baby towel. This is also the cap like, means you can share it, and this is the napkins, and here you can see these all are the body wash, and this is the children moisturizing baby care body wash, and these are the wipes, wet wipes, and in this there are the about 10 packets and only 5.9 RMB. So really this is very amazing superstore. Viewers, I have decided to buy something, and you see this is the snacks counter, and here are the so many cookies, some kind of the fried rolls, biscuits, and some chips. I think this is the wheat biscuit. So these are the classic Marsh chocolate pie, choco pie, and here I have decided, okay, these are the butter cookies, and these butter cookies are with 3 flavors. So okay, let's take this one. Viewers, this area always be very interesting, and especially for the females, because there are the big cosmetic brands. As you can see, here is the L'Oreal Paris, Mamonde, and here you see the counter of the Laneige, and this is a Simone, Free Plus, Cal's. So the big brands, and also this is very interesting thing here. This is the May Coupe raw sauce, and it has the wood fragrance. This is for the testing they have placed here. Means it gives the fresh wood fragrance. So they have the one promotion with this. If you buy these 2, means you buy one, they will give one this free, and also face mask. Here you see this is also the invisible skin, very beautiful packing, one full set up for the skin care. So similarly here, and this full set is about 238 RMB. Viewers, here are the cosmetics, and this is, you can see the Mamonde, and Mamonde, this is for the age control power lift, and also this is on the promotion at about 39.9 RMB, and really the real price of this product is very high. And in this superstore they are giving the promotion on everything. You see these all are the small pouches also, means if you want to travel somewhere and you don't want to bring the big boxes of the cosmetics, just buy these travel pouches, and you see these are also the pocket pouch. So these things, these products are also available here, you can take. Viewers, these are the cosmetic counters, almost all countries of the world. French cosmetics, Thailand cosmetics, Korean cosmetics, Japanese, Chinese, and these are the test counters. Means the girls come here, they can apply here, they can check, and because everywhere they have some samples, and they just choose that sample, and if that is good for them, they can buy. Because here you can see so beautiful hair bands, and they also have some jewelry, some small earrings, hair catch, hair band, and with the fabrics, with the metal, with the pearls. So many beautiful things are here. Because here you can see these are the different earrings with the pearls. You see this is the green jade like, means artificial earring, but it look like the jade. Similarly here you see the black pearl. In this the white pearl and the jade mixing. So beautiful earrings they also have. Because here they have placed different kind of collars when you are traveling or you get tired. So these are the neck collars, very good material, very soft and the comfortable material, and with different colors, different sizes, and with the different materials they have placed here. You see this is the also the little bit different material, but very soft and very comfortable. Viewers, this is the toys corner, and here you can see the beautiful dolls, some kind of the cars, and also some other guns, the toys for the kids. And this is really very beautiful doll. Here you see the big size doll, and it is about 99 RMB, and this small one is about 39 RMB. Similarly, they have some fluffy ties, and these are the keychains you can use as a keychain. And also here if you see, they have some more fluffy toys, and this is the Doraemon, very famous character of the kids, and very beautiful fluffy toy. And this is, you see, the bunny, sorry, this is one sheep, and very beautiful. Also so many toys they have. And here you see, these are the some kind of the robots, small dolls, guns, containers, and also these are some Terminators. This is also the Terminator, and these are the big one. So this multi-store is really amazingly beautiful, and they have a lot of products. Means just you once enter, this is all in one. Whatever you want you can buy from here, and every product of them they have a very reasonable price. They are giving the promotion on everything, and I hope this promotion will prolong for long time. Viewer, this is the backside corner of the multi-store, and this is the household articles, you can say. These are the some small baskets, means you can keep them in the washroom, and you can put your shower gel and other cosmetics inside it. Similarly here you see, these are the small dishes, very beautiful dish, the glass dishes. And this is also, these are the some box, you see the kitchen boxes, the tiffin. And in this even you can use this box in the oven, and very good material. These are the plastic boxes with the different sizes, some round boxes. These are the plastic mugs, plastic cups, and this plastic is of very good quality. And you see, often the kids, they can break the glass mugs, so you can give them this kind of mug, and very beautiful shape and with very good quality. So this is really very amazing shop. Here you see, these are the softies for the home, hangers, doormats, and some big boxes are also here to save some products. So really very beautiful shop. Hand warmer, use in the winter. Beautiful. Viewers, finally we have reviewed the Superstore and we have shown you many amazing and the beautiful products of them. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.